So this is the album machine. This one is also really rare. It's for £63. This one comes with a hose, I believe. It's a yellow one. Here's the hose. I'm not sure if this is an 8-inch hose or not because it has like clipping bits, so that means I can take it. It is yellow. It is nothing in there. This pneumatic is really rare. It has got a yellow pneumatic right here. It is a NV200 Beaminster Dorset, 1000 watts. I've been wanting this machine for about 6 months. It's vintage. It's in quite good nick. This is a heavy filter, and that is the bucket. So, yeah, so we need to pause it. This is what the yellow one sounds like. These didn't really come that well because they got stuck. They were supposed to arrive yesterday, but they didn't, so they arrived today. I've been waiting quite a while. This is my favourite one, and then this is my second favourite one. This is my first complete gel, by the way. It's got a little dent in it, but that's no major. So bye, see you in the next video.